you struggle with your Azure Virtual Desktop spend and not knowing how much it's actually costing you, and if you could save money, how much money you would actually be saving. If you do, you're not alone. Hi, my name is Dave Fisk with Nerdio, and I'm here to show you how. We're going to start inside of the Nerdio Manager for Enterprise console. We're going to click on Workspaces, and then we're going to go into one of the workspaces that we've already created. You'll see I have Select Host Pool Action at the bottom. I'm going to click on Autoscale and then Configure. Now you'll see that Autoscale is turned off right now. So let's go ahead and let's make some setting changes and turn it on. So right now, you'll see I have 5 machines that are in my host pool. I have 0 that are available in that host pool at any given time right now, so that I can have everything turned off. But I don't want that to happen. I want to have machines available at any given time, so I'm going to say 1 at a minimum is available in my environment. And if I have an autoscale trigger set up down below for CPU, RAM, average active sessions, or spare desktops being available, I can then create automatically new machines that will then be destroyed as soon as autoscale kicks in and downsizes your environment. You can also go to pre-staged hosts so that every day at a certain time you can have machines available up and running before users are logged in to kick off that autoscale function. So I'm going to say at 8 a.m. every day I want to have at least 2 machines running instead of 1. Now, last thing I need to do is turn on autoscale and click Save and Close. Now let's go back into our host sessions, and you'll see that one of the machines is actually turning on right now because I turned on autoscale to say have 1 machine available at any given time. So let's go into tasks, and you will see autoscale settings were changed, force autoscale process was invoked, and it's starting a VM. Now let's take a look at the savings that we're actually making. Let's go into our host pool. Let's select host pool action and autoscale and go to history. Let's go in and look at the last 2 days in my lab. Now once I've gotten into the autoscale history for this host pool, you'll see I can see when all of the actions automatically were taking place in my lab environment. Here is scaling down machines for yesterday, and here is where it's scaling down some more after I turned more on. Here was an auto scale process that turned on in the morning, and it turned off a little bit later due to rules that I had set. And here is the one that I just created, where it created another machine and turned it on. If I view in the savings, you will see where I break down the compute and the storage of the actual savings that are occurring during this time period that I've chosen inside the report. I hope you saw the value of Nerdio Manager for Enterprise using the autoscale technology to help save you money within your Azure Virtual Desktop environment. Thanks for watching.